Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna pretend like I'm doing a Vogue Beauty Secrets video. I have a very entertaining video and I hope you guys enjoy because I enjoyed making it. It was very fun. I'm waxing my eyebrows by myself for the first time. You're currently seeing the results. Oh, follow me on Instagram and subscribe. I put my hair out of my face so that we can begin a very girly video. Every single day washing my face. I wash it every single day without exception, and I use a cleansing brush. Second thing I do is something I do every single morning without exception, and I've been doing it for the past 2 months, and I've definitely seen kind of a difference in my skin. I've been putting on sunscreen every single day, and right now I actually left mine. I use the CeraVe tinted SPF every single day, but I left it at my best friend's house. But just because I don't have it right now, I'm gonna use this one, which is actually my mom's. This one is a little different from the one I like. Dries off matte, so it's not my favorite because I do like the dewy look from, you know, put it on SPF. Hiram Skincare, he's awesome. He said you should be wearing this every single day and then you're gonna look younger when you're like 30 and 40. So I wanna stay looking young forever, and so I'm starting now by putting on sunscreen every single day. I do my, what is it called? A toner. This one is actually like a Korean brand. It is from It's Skin. It has vitamin C and it makes my skin wake up, and I really like it because it smells like lemons. And I know some people hate fragrance, but this actually hasn't made me work out like ever, so no worries in that if you have really sensitive skin, because I do too. I have a stupid little zit here because I was stressed like a week ago. My skin doesn't really like stress. I move on to put on a little serum, which is also by the same brand. It has vitamin C derivatives and it is also from Korea. I can like honestly like swear by Korean brands and Korean skincare. I think they have one of the prettiest skin ever. So if it works for them, it works for me. So I use this and I really like to put it under my eyes because I don't have any, you know, eye serum stuff. I put that there, and then I also like to put it right on my forehead because I think I get lines of expression up here. Even though people say I don't, I'm just picky. I'm gonna just put up my hair. Up we go. Next thing I put on is an actual moisturizer. I actually went to my dermatologist like a year ago and I was like, what do I put on my skin? And she told me to use this, which is by Neutrogena, and it has hyaluronic acid, which is really good for you, according to Skincare by Hiram. So I believe whatever the smart people tell me. If you notice, like, I don't really get much texture on my skin. The only issue right now is that little dumb sit that's trying to go away, but my skin is pretty dang clear on the usual, unless I'm, you know, freaking out or stressing over something. But I keep up on my skincare. That's what I do every single morning to wake up my skin. So I don't have my eyelashes curled or with mascara right now, but I will show you guys in a bit. I have really long eyelashes and you might not be able to really see it there, but if I look up, probably can. When I curl them and I put mascara on them, they look like super big and huge, and I like to take care of them as much as I possibly can. And I got this lash serum from L'Oreal, so I just kind of put it on the lash line, like right there and over it, so that, you know, they get strong. I've been using this for about 3 to 4 weeks, and I've noticed they fall out a little less when I take off my mascara at night, which is something that I usually see happen. You know, that I take off my mascara and then I see like 3 eyelashes falling out of my eyes, and I don't like it. It scares me, but I've seen it happen less since I started using the serum. So I do recommend it. I'm going to be waxing my eyebrows today by myself for the first time. Very smart, I know. So my best friend uses this. It's by Sally Hansen. It's like a wax kit, and it's like made for you to do it at home, and it's supposed to be super simple, and I've seen her do it and it doesn't look complicated. So it brings the sticks. It also brings little, you know, strips for when you're shaving, and your wax. The wax comes in here and you put it in the microwave. So that should be great. And it also brings like a little finishing oil to put on after. So what we're gonna do is we're going to try this out today. Everybody wish me luck, because I've never ever in my life waxed my own eyebrows, but we're gonna do it today. So, the instructions say microwave the jar of wax for 30 seconds and wait to cool before removing. Use a spatula to smooth our wax and apply strips in the direction of hair growth, and then hold skin tight with one hand and use the other hand to pull off the strip. Okay, I'm sure I can do that. I'm gonna go heat up the wax and we'll be right back. And I'm very much terrified because what if I mess this up and like just mess up my eyebrows and then it looks like terrible. Petrifying. We're gonna put a towel under this so that I can make sure that I'm not like burning something. I'm a little bit scared that I'm gonna mess this up, so I'm gonna zoom you out a bit so you can observe what's happening. Okay, I'm scared. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna paint the shape that I want. Okay guys, I'm aware my eyebrows might look a little bit scary right now, but I'm just trying to make this work. Okay, here we go. I'm just gonna go for it. I'm gonna go for it. You go away, little extra wax. Okay. Okay, let's do this. Let's see how it goes. You didn't notice I put it like super far away from my actual eyebrow because I'm terrified. 1, 2, 3. Ah. Oh, it works! Stop! It actually works. And it didn't make my skin too red. Wow, Isa, thank you for the amazing recommendation. Still like a little scared of doing it wrong and like ripping away my entire eyebrow, but we're gonna keep working with it. Daddy, can you like come help me, low-key? I just need you to cut a strip for me. That's literally all I need. If you didn't know, my sister refused to be in my videos. Look how it's working, look. What? Why are you so mean? Do you have scissors, like the tiny scissors? No. I'm gonna do the under part, which I'm terrified of once again. Oh, here we go. This is so complicated. Okay. Look at that, guys. Oh, this is going so well. I can totally do this. Okay, I did a little bit there. Not a crazy bunch, because I don't want to go crazy and like rip out my entire thing of, you know, eyebrows. I press on it like this, and then I just rip it. It works so well. The best part, y'all, is that it's not like painful wax, because I've lived through painful wax. So here we go. That was a little scary. And 1, 2, 3. I feel like there's some hairs here that need to go, but I don't know if I should tweeze them instead of wax them. I really hope this is entertaining, you guys, because it's quite the stressful job, believe it or not. It's not easy to do. I don't want to like be bald eyebrowed. I told my boyfriend to wish me luck doing this, and he was like, why wish you luck? And I'm like, because I get my eyebrows done. I don't do them myself. And he was like, oh, and I was like, uh-huh. I'm gonna rip this in half because I don't think I need the whole thing, so. Oh, actually, I think I might need the whole thing. This is called Angie started making a little bit of money, and now she doesn't want to spend that money, so she's finding ways to still look good by spending less. 2, 3. So we have both eyebrows. One looks super shaped, the other one looks a little not shaped, right? I feel like I should FaceTime my boyfriend and see what he thinks of me. Okay, I did the crazy outline on that side. Let's call him actually. Hi! Look, I'm waxing my eyebrows.
Oh no. This is for a video, isn't it?
It is for a video. Look. I'm a pro at this now.
Mm-hmm. Good job.
What?
Just don't lose your eyebrow.
I'm not gonna lose my eyebrow, don't worry. Okay.
Wait, I forgot. Does Mona Lisa have eyebrows?
Mona Lisa, does she have eyebrows?
I think that the actual person didn't, and then Da Vinci, he painted her eyebrows.
Really?
Yeah, because at the time I heard that it was like a beauty standard to not have eyebrows.
Oh, that's interesting.
You're gonna lose your eyebrows.
No, this is entertaining.
It's interesting.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. Look.
What the? That hurt?
It's actually not as painful as other waxes I've done before, so That's nice. What do you think of me doing this?
It's cheaper than having someone else do it for you.
It is cheaper than having someone else do it for me.
Yeah.
Today wasn't like extremely cheaper. It was like $3 cheaper, but in the longer run, it's gonna be like very much cheaper. Pedro went to go play soccer with his friends. So here we go. Another strip. Another one. Here we go. I'm getting a better hang of this now, see? Look how smooth that looks. This is so much fun. Here we go. I have a mess all over my hands, which is great. The point of this video, right, is sharing and caring of this amazing secret that I have found to make your life cheaper and good, right? Because if you complain about people doing their eyebrows wrong, well, now you can't complain, right? Because you are getting them done all by yourself. I really am trying. My mom said she was scared of me doing this because she thought I was gonna rip off my entire eyebrow. So, words of encouragement, guys. 1, 2, and 3. We're gonna do this middle part right here. Let's wax it off. So look at that. They look good. All I have to do, like I literally wax them. It looks so good. Like perfectly shaped like I want them. Just near the arch area is I'm going to like cut the pieces that I find, you know, like are too long, if that makes any sense. So I just go up and then I like cut, like I give it like a haircut. So I just, ta-da. And then very last thing, I'm gonna just tweeze away the little last few that are still on there for some odd reason. Great discovery. I mean, seriously, like, they look good. And I can tell you, I didn't get like a crazy allergic reaction, because I get allergic reaction to wax that isn't like good for sensitive skin, and I didn't get any bad reaction from this one, so yay to that. Literally cost me $9, and I'm definitely gonna use it again. So yeah, that is all for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed that. That was very entertaining to watch me do, you know, wax my eyebrows the first time all by myself. Yeah, have a lovely rest of your day. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Do subscribe to my channel for more things like this so you can enjoy it. And follow me on my Instagram, which will be right here. And yeah, I'll see y'all in the next video. Keep growing, keep going, and keep doing you.